Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just get thank you enough. So, my realistic people, you guys know that I have come again. Oh, for some time now, there is announcement coming up that some persons are going to Finland to go and protest. That the Biafra Prime Minister, that is the son to Mazenab the Kanu, the Mazenab the Kanu disciples, son to Mazenab the Kanu on Biafra liberation. So they want to go and protest that this guy is not getting it right and is not part of them. This announcement has been up, but we were thinking that it's just joke, it's just joke. But believe me, as I'm talking to you, these people, they are right in Finland. Without not wasting much of your time, please, I want you to share this video because we are going to enjoy ourselves today. Oh, hey, share the video, like and subscribe if you haven't. Right now, they are there in Finland, Gidigba. In fact, as I'm talking to you, according to them, that they're already in the parliament office. But without not wasting much of time, let's just listen to them so that let it not be that I'm the one saying it. Let them introduce themselves, and we are also having a special guest also. His name is Academic Highness. What you are going to get from this place today is not a joke. Let us just leave these people, let them introduce themselves. Then I'll be right back.
This is the parliament in Finland. We are entering inside. Let us see how it goes. Yes.
Please, this is the parliament house where Ipob selected team are going to deliver to the parliament or the prime minister,
The letter.
the new prime minister. I'm the national coordinator of Finland. And,
good morning, Ipob worldwide. We are here in Finland to submit our letter to the Parliament of Finland for them to know the aim, our objectives for this struggle. Because many evils have been going on in Finland. Some criminals are using Ipob for another private agenda. So today we are here to let the Finland people to understand our aim and purpose, and other our brothers and sisters are over there waiting for us. But this is a selected team led by Ipob worldwide to come and drop the letter to the parliament. Thank my name remains Mnk'S. I greet you all. Okay. Thank you, my brother. Over to you.
Thank you very much. All here Biafra. All here Biafra. We are the doorpost of the parliament office. The minister. This is the petition that we have composed by the DOS, led by Mazenab the Kanu. We are humbly present here to deliver this petition. So with my crew and my comrades, the national coordinator of Finland is there, who is leading us into the office. So for right now, we are going to the office. I hope people will see how we do like. Thank you very much.
So what I want to say concerning this is so coming to the light of the world that those who were called DOS are a bunch of illiterato, what you call illiterate in a conventional English language.
All right, so we have been waiting. Anyways, we will still keep on waiting. Let us also see the side of the DOS. If already they are already in the office, arranging things and all that. Let us see them. It appears that DOS, they are taking much time in the office. So anyways, what are we going to do? Because this waiting is getting too much. But nevertheless, maybe they don't want to attend to them now, or one, two is doing three things. But let us listen to Academic Highness. Then we'll be right back.
So, as I was saying before, the people known as DOS has shown themselves that they are a bunch of what you call ignoramus nicompupidia, persona non grata.
I said it, oh, I said it. In fact, this Academic Highness. Anyways, Let us hear from the DOS, or are they still arranging the paper or the book? Abba. But why is this Oyibo man? Because they say that once we see you, we have seen the prime minister. Is it what they see this receptionist? Say that they have already seen the prime minister, but nevertheless, I don't know why the receptionist is looking at them. The man is so strange, oh. I don't know if you are getting it. The man is so strange. The look is so strange. Let's see them again.
More than stuff. No, it's there. Yeah, more. Maybe who make English, so people so there. Okay. Yeah, please, we came to submit the letter to the Prime Minister, so that's where we are directed to come and submit our letter. So this is why we are indigenous people of Biafra. We are registered in Finland. Okay.
Ah, it's like I don't really understand. DOS, are you guys still in the office, still waiting all this long? Abba, let's keep on waiting then, or let us watch them if they are true or they are still waiting, so that we can know. Abba, this minister or the prime minister or the parliament attendants, why is the man looking like that? The man is confused, oh. Can't you people see the way the man is just looking at them like, oh, do people did not inform him before coming? I thought when you people just get to that place and you salute, just sir, we are IPOP. The man will say, oh, you guys are highly welcome. We'll be hearing about you. We heard that people will be coming today, but nothing like that. So this man self, he dey confused. Oh, where will he wash him again? Where can they go?
In the sense that even those that we are saying, let Nnamdi Kanu be there, are now saying, let Nnamdi Kanu be released, so that there will be peace everywhere in Nigeria because of sit at home, of which we have explained and expatiated in our diverse means of communication on the meaning of sit at home. That sit at home is to demonstrate the evil that they have meted against our people speaking and against Nnamdi Kanu, for the release of Nnamdi Kanu, and for the United Nations to know that we are one people, that we are a nation, because Nigeria is not a nation. Now, they have shown that they are ignoramus, a flux of ignoramus, because you will see, I want Biafran people to listen to me. They are going to run. They are going to run. All those people.
It's like I don't really understand. DOS, are you guys still in the office, still waiting all this long? Abba, let's keep on waiting then, or let us watch them if they are true or they are still waiting, so that we can.
Okay. Yeah, my name is Isaac. I'm the leader of.
All right. Right now, we are going to hear from Academic Highness, because I always say it here. I said, what Simon Ekpa is doing is not different from what Nnamdi Kanu is doing. They keep telling me I don't know what I am saying. Why you say that? I don't know what I'm saying. When this Simon Ekpa, I be the Biafra Prime Minister, is a carbon copy of the attitude or the legacy that Nnamdi Kanu left behind. Hey, a lot of people don't want to hear this truth, but come on. That is just the basic truth. If you listen to Nnamdi Kanu old videos, you will know that there is no difference. If you listen to where Nnamdi Kanu is vibrating, you will know that these two people, there is no difference. So my people, stop deceiving yourself. Stop deceiving yourself. The truth, that is what we are saying here. There is no difference between Simon Ekpa and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So don't just try to paint one better than one. No, these two people, Okpare, they are two go together. They are two go together. I say it the way it is. They are two go together. So why do you want to cut this grass from the roots? Why not cutting it from the up? These two people, they are the same thing. Let's hear from Academic Highness saying it the way it is, that of a truth. The resemblance is there. They are the same thing. They are fighting the same thing. They are doing the same thing. In fact, what he is doing right now, that is the bid and the wish of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You can't run away from your shadow. Let's listen to him, Joe.
That we are saying, let Nnamdi Kanu be there. And now saying, let Nnamdi Kanu be released so that there will be peace everywhere in Nigeria because of sit at home, of which we have explained and expatiated in our diverse means of communication on the meaning of sit at home. That sit at home is to demonstrate the evil that they have meted against our people speaking and against Nnamdi Kanu, for the release of Nnamdi Kanu and for the United Nations to know that we are one people, that we are a nation, because Nigeria is not a nation. Now, they have shown that they are ignoramus, the flocks of ignoramus, because you will see, I want Biafran people to listen to me. They are going to run. They are going to run. All those people. Hagana said that they are going to run from Finland. That was the last word I said.
Yes.
Because what Nnamdi Kanu is doing, starting from the beginning, is in line with the dictates of international law. And you know that Mazi Simon Ekpa is the disciple of Nnamdi Kanu. And what he's doing is the continuation of the work of his prince, which is in dungeon.
It's like I don't really understand. DOS, are you guys still in the office, still waiting all this long? Abba, let's keep on waiting then, or let us watch them if they are true or they are still waiting, so that we can know. Okay, as they are still waiting, let us hear from his Academic Highness what he have to say about say some people have coconut head on what I don't really hear it very well. Please, regardez, say it again, let people hear you.
Everybody understands that what Simon Ekpa is doing is in line with international law. You know, when we say that people are stark illiterate, it does not mean who did not read and write. It means, if I speak Abakaleke now, they will say, I have come again. No? Toshaka. Toshaka means coconut brain. Coconut brain. That is the meaning of it in English. Now, if the international community recognize Ipob as a legal and legitimate opposition to Nigerian government, because they know that Nigerian government does what you call hanky-panky political negative, gambadosia and krikum krankum.
Yes.
Thus,
Hey. This your grammar is getting too much, because this your grammar. If you are coming here, because the way you are speaking this your grammar, we don't even understand them. Do you want to form my speakers? Abba, this Academic Highness, so only today you just came to this program. You want to form my speaker, you want to form my phone, you want to form my stand, you want to follow everything with this your baby grammar. Abba, please, gentle. Let us hear from DOS, because It's like this receptionist have not heard of Biafra before. You people did not inform this man that you are coming. The way he's doing me, I'm surprised. I'm getting. In fact, I don't have patience. What is all this? You people did not inform this man that you are coming with the sword, with the 1 million people. Abba. So this man is not aware. Or are you telling me that he's just pretending that he Abba? Let's see them again, no, because this one now, it don't they shook. Let's see them again. Try to explain all over.
Okay, yeah, my name is Isaac. I'm the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. Biafra. So,
Let's keep on convincing this white man because I don't understand. Let's convince him. Abba, this man self.
we are registered here in Finland, so we have a letter for PEP. So we came to, that's where we are living it here. So we came to deliver the letter to him. So we believe we are directed here, so you take it to him, so he will know who.
All right.
As we are waiting for them to convince the man, Academic Highness, what do you have to say about this command and control that have hit you in Finland, that is already in the doorpost, that is in Finland? What do you have to say about this?
They did not declare Biafra as bad organization. And people are not understanding. At the same way, people who are empty-brained, who have coconut brain, Isiakoibo, are the one trying to tell you how agitation is done. And they will give them command and control. They will be following. There is a place called Waterloo. And Waterloo is a French language. Waterloo is a place where idiots were being decimated during the wars 1919 or 1918 and 1945. So in English, they say somebody will meet his or her Waterloo. That is what will be, their fate tomorrow. So Biafrans should not panic. The Biafran struggle headed by Nnamdi Kanu and being headed and supported by the Prime Minister, Biafran Republic government in exile.
Okay, we are coming to the conclusion now. Please, let's have a handshake. Let's have a handshake. Let's have a handshake. Shake me, George. Shake me. Oh, let's have a handshake. Let's have a handshake, Oyibo man. Finland, let's have a handshake. Prime Minister, shake me. Oh my goodness. Why are you rejecting my hand? Shake me. Let's have a handshake. Please,
You can let him close it. It's not.
Please, sir, have a handshake. Have a handshake. Have a handshake this time. We are tired. Have a handshake. Have a handshake. Have a handshake.
And we'll hand it over to you. All right. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a handshake.
You can let him close it. It's not for him.
It's not meant to be closed. An open letter. You don't need to close it.
It's an open letter.
It's an open letter.
So,
okay.
I'm giving it to you. Thank you very much.
Yeah. It's there. The names are there.
Yes.
No.
You take a picture right now.
Finally, you have a handshake already. Thank you, Jesus. Let us see from Academic Highness. I want you to read the Constitution. Because a lot of people don't really understand. Read the Constitution, what these people went to Finland to do, the role, and what Simon Ekpa is doing, and what Nnamdi Kanu is doing, and what the world knows about Biafra. Please, read the Constitution for us. We are able. We want to listen and we want to hear, we want to learn. Oh yeah, give it on.
Is in line with international law. And if Anyuba or whoever sent these people to go, threatening, are ignorant of what you call international law, which we draw the base of our self-determination. It is seen in Article 1, Chapter 1, Section 1, Paragraph 2 of the Charter of the United Nations, who says that nations, people, United Nations support the right of the self-determination of peoples. Just in a jiffy, I show you. Charter of the United Nations. Simon Ekpa is doing this thing and nobody will go against him. Finland can never go against Simon Ekpa. And no law known by human being will go against Simon Ekpa. It says, Chapter 1, Purposes and Principles of the United Nations. Article 1 says, the purpose of the United Nations are, 1, to maintain international peace and security, and to that end, to take effective collective measures for the prevention and removal of threat to the peace and for the suppression of acts of aggression or other breaches of the peace, and to bring about by peaceful means and in conformity with the principles of justice and international law, adjustment of settlement of international disputes or situations, underline international disputes or situations which might lead to the breach of the peace. Paragraph 2, which is very important, where our agitation substantiate, where what Simon Ekpa is doing or Nnamdi is doing, substantiate, has base, is here. Paragraph 2, to develop friendly relations among nations based on respect for the principle of equal rights and the self-determination of peoples. Let me repeat. Based on respect for the principle of equal rights and self-determination of peoples. Most of our people are not being meant to understand this. So those going to fight Simon Ekpa will meet their Waterloo. So Biafrans should not have any panic, because okwu na-aga warawara n'anya na-aga warawara na-enekwu ya. Ekene m unu. I greet all of you. I greet our mother, and I greet the ministers and the crew members. God bless you.
So, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Please do well to like this video, share, and subscribe. As I will be giving you all the updates. If there is any response from Finland, believe me, I am going to let you know. You are going to see everything. We are not letting any stone untouched. We are going to bring everything here from the beginning to the end. We want to really see the punishment that they are going to say, oh, because people are here, let's do this to Simon Ekpa, let's do it to Biafra. For now, we don't really know, but all the same, finger crossed. Do well to share this video, like and subscribe if you haven't. As I said before, there's no difference between Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa. I still stand by my word. Convince me if you can. So thank you so much. Please share this video, like and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.